Let's see how you can animate elements to appear on click in Canva. This feature is perfect for making your presentations more interactive and engaging. So for this example, let's have this. So what I want is, for the first slide, for this giraffe, lion, and gazelle, and wildebeest picture to appear. And then on the next slide, I want these pictures of rhinos to appear. So what we're gonna do is, first, we're gonna duplicate the page. So now we have 2 copies. Since this picture of giraffes and lions is first, what we need to do is delete the rhino picture from the first slide. Next, what we need to do is click on this first image and go to the top hand side and click on Animate. So I want this photo to appear with the digital ink. Let's see, what do I want? Okay, let's decide on ink. After that, let's go here to the next page and click on the rhino picture, and I want it to appear using the brush animation, like that. Now we're done. All we need to do is present this presentation. So for example, this is how it's gonna look like. Present full screen, present there. And the next, if I click on this, the next photo of the rhinos will appear. And that's it. That's how you can animate elements to appear on click in Canva. See you soon.